Okay, so in a previous video, we looked at how to calculate our gradient, how to calculate and solve for C. So we're going to now input all of our values into DESMOS, the online calculator, so that we can check whether our calculations are correct. So the first thing I'm going to do is plot my coordinates on my line. So I'm going to type into the first box 9, 20, bracket. Now always put a comma between the two data sets. So comma, bracket, 18, comma, 32, bracket. Now if I didn't put a bracket here, or I didn't finish off my equation, you would see that there's a little triangle with an error, exclamation mark. So, and that tells you that it's not quite right and it won't work. So please make sure that you always put in your data sets properly. So 32 and a bracket. I'm going to click the little label button so that we can see where the data values are on our screen. The next thing I'm going to do is type in my y equals mx plus c equation, but I'm also going to make sure that I input the values that I've calculated earlier. So y equals, so the gradient, which was 1.33333333, and then I'm going to put in my x plus my c value, which was 8. And you can see here that our calculations are correct because our line passes through both of the coordinate points correctly, and it also crosses the y-axis at the point that we said it would, so at 8. So that is how we use DESMOS to calculate whether our lines are correct. So if I had put in the number 6, for example, we would see that our line is not quite right. It doesn't actually cross the y-axis at 6. So refix your calculations if you've got the wrong number. Type in what you think the correct answer is so that you can double check the answers are correct. Thanks.